Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Reshade from The Sims 4. First, open the same Reshade setup tool that you used when you first installed it. If you no longer have the file, you can download it again from the official Reshade website. Once the tool is open, click on the button to select a game. A window will appear asking you to browse for the game's executable file. This is the Sims 4 program file. You can usually find it inside your Sims 4 installation folder. For most players, it is located in the Origin Games or EA Games folder on your computer. Look for the Sims 4 folder, then open it and find the file called ts4x64.exe. Select this file and click Open. The Reshade tool will now detect that Reshade is already installed for the Sims 4. Instead of showing the installation steps, you will see an option to uninstall. Simply click on Uninstall. The tool will remove all Reshade files that were added to the game. When the process is complete, you can close the Reshade tool. At this point, Reshade is no longer active in The Sims 4. If you open the game, you will see it running without any Reshade effects. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.